So, yeah, there was a zombie apocalypse.
How did this happen? I think it was Ryan's fault.
It was most definitely Ryan's fault.
How did this happen, you may ask? Did you know teens only get 6 to 8 hours of sleep a night? Sleep deprivation. That's how it happened.
Ryan?
Yeah.
You sure you're doing that right?
Yeah, I'm just making some lemonade.
You're using the right ingredients?
It's my grandma's recipe.
Okay.
Okay.
What's up, James? Hey, it's Monty.
Whoa. This is super good. Tastes like blueberries.
What are you talking about? It tastes like grape.
Monty's favorite fruit is a blueberry. He would definitely use blueberry.
It's
All
grape.
right, just save it. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Talk to you later. Oh, no. Kimberly, you're okay. I guess this juice had some Monty's spirit and love, and you're normal now. That's great.
Yeah. Go Scots.
Sophie.
Go get your lunch.
This is like the antidote. This juice turns the zombies back into humans. Don't waste it all.
We gotta make a plan.
Yeah, we'll use this to turn the rest of the zombies
into
humans.
Yes! Come on, guys, he went this way.
Thanks, James.
Ready?
Let's do this.
Wait, we're forgetting something.
That's so far up.
Oh well.
I don't know.
So many stairs. So many stairs.